Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 18. The gallbladder of a mammal has a duct connected to the A. Liver, B. Duodenum, C. Small intestine, and D. Pancreas. So it says the gallbladder of a mammal has a duct connected to the dash. Now, the gallbladder is where bile is being stored. The gallbladder is where bile is being stored. Now, when bile comes from the gallbladder, I say the gallbladder stores bile. Now, these bile stored in the gallbladder are not produced in the gallbladder; they are produced in the what? In the liver. So the liver produces the bile, but this bile are stored in what? In the gallbladder. Now, from the gallbladder, we have a duct known as the common bile duct. Now, this common bile duct will unite with the what? With a duct from the pancreas. We have the pancreas. Now, the pancreas has its own duct also. We call it pancreatic duct, or what we call the duct of Wesson. But I will call it for our level the pancreatic duct. Now, this pancreatic duct will unite with the duct of the what? Of the gallbladder and enter into and form what we call the ampulla of Vater. They form the ampulla of Vater. Now, this ampulla of Vater will then enter into the duodenum. But now the question is asking us that the duct of the gallbladder is connected to the dash, and that is the pancreas, because it is connected to the what? To the pancreatic duct. So the duct of the gallbladder, which is the common bile duct, is connected to the what? Pancreas via the pancreatic duct, in order to form what we call the ampulla of Vater that enters into the duodenum. So the answer to this question is option D, pancreas. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.